C-double like I'm P-square.
Yo, I won't fuck with your music, I'd rather fuck with your mama. Nafuka chirado, ngikazi track and korara. Such a meeting, switch your sides, I'm a doomba na plaka. Take a bars, ready, wonga timmy, zam, fababa. Then the fara mic, nipa curry, yote going ape shit. I've been killing niggas, so bakar and in a threat. In Balusi, Sazi bearing, now they can stand me. I rebanam, ni babuze, I got plenty. My whole body bulletproof, and the Robocop. Cover aim and DJ black, Mbasi and a laser mic. Your career ain't shit without an auto-tune. Nigga, water said you can do it better than me. You niggas lie, they said they got hits. Honestly, they ain't got none. Bariba kwebra, we obviously back off flop. Gaziliko pop and then the busy man, they call him up. On board, gentlemen, it's a gun and in the face and I get oh. Spin the chinny born and suck it over hood oh. You kissing niggas ass just to make it in this game, dog. While I'm dancing through with the tongue and the Korwa moonwalk. The only thing that you're good at is sucking a dick. Otosara 1 and 40, what cash and a fist. Uchi Barati artist, bitch, you don't make a list. Nigga, you suck, but you ain't sucking some tits. You just run your fucking mouth and press the lapping and tea. Why you messing with a predator? Why ain't got defender while you caught her with your panties out? Quickly now my shit, go take a game like a janitor. What about the streets of a size, you ain't man enough. Nako fa dise jomo, wako rapa korida. Stop the summer rawa wano kwa ditonga otrina. Afesese ngazo secondary ya satufira. Natu wanga 204, klasin wa mutira. Kompatera chimwe shnar nga pera zanga zamateki. Warepen sera mwana tnashminga cho chinchaleri. Nyadera kasaga, derizini chifeti. Toko samaroku sako bamba na libenti. Yani pengi marana bato na mpengo. Nanengo nengisa sa libindi la maseho. Zura na farabaji. Tani mutu pepo, ngasembe ngamabana, ngasembe ngamtengo Ipingwini na brain injury, ikomfurela zisobo za secondary. Ena mapunga sa korasa masafoti la chinari. Kwebe yaka bencha qualify yuba mtambi Anina ngondo, marukwa kwa ngandala si chikoto. Ya vele ni kingi ya ziflopo, ni clever ya madodo. Chichitumbuka chipakera zindondo. Dodi champengera tipengeru nga bagoro Ini ni bari, kutengo ni junkie, ngofonga ninga winner. You losing your mind, ngofonga ninga ntira. I'm using a sniper, you a bitch full of shit. I need a dick na kuvin. I feel like Pac, I feel like Biggie. You just a bitch full of shit. Look, titunifa nini too tight. Kerianu's economy limit never reaching you high. Ninsazi what to fight, better like sun and be a good side. Daro bada utongari nina puss nine. Kani nina puss nine. Why you busy sucking? Bitch, I'm busy muffin. I show you how it's done. Why you busy bluffing? I got a screw loose, I kill you over nothing. Not that I was with chest, I stuck a fair and chabasazi. The Zamo Techelese songs, I couldn't bear with it. If loves to get my head hurting. Before the cheat, I can't make sure you get your brain or your pen working. Don't call me awkward when I'm snapping, you get it? You verse me, nigga, you stupid as hell. Done it to us, a bapanya, ma, autumn tank. Picha yanu karepa, versus the cake and the bang. And if I call, doesn't go so got a tank. Nichi repa, mantonga, no waru rumbu nga stroke. Koni jeans a classin, nide na boogie the note. It's just the rap and it's the chicks, man, I'm slapping this horse. Ring a nipper, mic and gambi, chitungo in a choke. And then I gave me Connie extra like a lumberjack. Nigga do some balls, zikon kumbu the tic-tac. For the weakest rappers in a land on a hashtag. Fuck out of here, motherfucker, with your dumb ass. Yeah, so you ain't man enough. Nako fa dise jomo, wako rapa korida. Stop the summer rawa wano kwa ditonga otrina. Afesese ngazo secondary ya satufira. Natu wanga 204, klasin wa mutira. Kompatera chimwe shnar nga pera zanga zamateki. Warepen sera mwana tnashminga cho chinchaleri. Nyadera kasaga, derizini chifeti. Toko samaroku sako bamba na libenti. Yani pengi marana bato na mpengo. Nanengo nengisa sa libindi la maseho. Zura na farabaji, tani mutu pepo. Ngasembe ngamabana, ngasembe ngamtengo Ipingwini na brain injury, ikomfurela zisobo za secondary. Ena mapunga sa korasa masafoti la chinari. Kwebe yaka bencha qualify yuba mtambi Anina ngondo, marukwa kwa ngandala si chikoto. Ya vele ni kingi ya ziflopo, ni clever ya madodo. Chichitumbuka chipakera zindondo. Dodi champengera tipengeru nga bagoro Ini ni bari, kutengo ni junkie, ngofonga ninga winner. You losing your mind, ngofonga ninga ntira. I'm using a sniper, you a bitch full of shit. I need na dick na kuvini. I feel like Pac, I feel like Biggie. You just a bitch full of shit. Look, Tito Nifa nini too tight. Kerianu's economy sim it never reach new height. Ninsazi what to fight, better like sun and be a good sight. Daro bada utongari nina puss nine. Kani nina puss nine. Why you busy sucking? Bitch, I'm busy muffin. I show you how it's done. Why you busy bluffing? I got a screw loose, I kill you over nothing. Not that I was with chest, I stuck a fair and chabasazi. The Zamo Techerese songs, I couldn't bear with it. My head hurting before the shit that can make.
Yeah, welcome to the Van Rap Radio. Ziko wuya. Hey, Wookid, come zero.
Nah.
Ai, deko dinto dani ko ngofazori ni ko wana lana. Zoita. Liri uko tangana mini come zero. Wookid uri mi.
Hey, you might want those to shoot. 1 2. It's fine. So zoitia we. Mrauni angeni aranti do zumbulai. Obana na stressisa do moronga vicious. We were too fair.
Yeah.
So zwine hela stress chacho kusumisa choto pointer straight tree. Ka wiki like nela chofi like that's what was straight tree. I don't feel ngo do tumana mbulera zweri.
Chikwa kai.
Uwama ga wiki digana mi ngomvesa. Ngori obosmisa odumwalori SBS zwetsane SBS the album ya wiki dingorara.
Eva.
Then there's una chikono general. Okay. Hukuitianya papetu. Ndezo ichi general ndikukusabuzisa around. Zvino Wookid ama kumulindo twalicha adzira utoralina. Wookid awona zvino zeri no man. Ona smoke utomara kuti muduba something.
Ekotomo droga.
Ukotomo something. Ndareke aratize avana vaditomo sukombura zvilo zvere naone tiko reply naone wiki naone arali vicious yako ntomai naone kadita ntu kato kato menenga track zodivudi ndiye zvine ndichivendera no vewo zvine nakuita zvone zvaudivudi ndakuri ndive ndichishera apa nane live ngoraro so ndari zvine nakuita zvone zvikutodzidzeva zvikete arali una petshena kuringa zvikete wana ni zvikete zdomeka sure resize ito niita
Rwalera dzibodi na mlenze
exactly so because zvauzosvika chibva zvakuti then nende kutomangala mulova ndikuvona chinepe chimwe naone na status chawhatsapp chaWookid omulori maganda tiso ndakuti zubulori angasikuva maganda tiso avosina zvinoenda na vicious ngangomngori obviously for now Wookid hakurwa na mutu mumwe ngandani ya vicious we mutoma ka status mungwana
yeah
so zvitia we nena modera keku ndafona Wookid mpeni track ya maganda because no already ndakozozoro sote zvika vicious up until chipoditoa track ya na modiwonder okay ndialo mafungu mofesa so track ya modiva chitizvo mekisani nema
hey
tizonekisani
ne avula fetu ndikopforea nyabona there are days where we used to listen to Van Rap ne not Van Rap Venda Rap ndikori Venda Rap ndikwamba ndozana murawo ange era rechiri the diss track ezadzichiva dzikobva clean dirty ngandile neyo even in a diss track okay we try and then keep our parents baby in that zwine ringari yazo that's why tanya na chitoma marai I'm happy to read the rest of the track I ngo focus akore ni to ngosema na baby auto ya kamutu akomuvudza the way ine avangayo ajawa ayana kakuru yawe
okay
I read that ngobona so zvinozova kuita ndizori vicious needs to respond. It's either I know cash flow angazidopindura or else udoroposera nefara kudropa the new tracks zawe mara I just know vicious has to respond ngori utoamba ngoti ndiwofatora chinaringa mateki iti ngozori azitamba the diss track it's pure music, it's pure competition anoranga ngai ni ngoronona nge lockdown yeah
Ngamine.
beno go love yeah so the diss track sizondabona zone ethi it's pure music ndichoose no respect when it comes to hip hop music and the rest of the music ori utoti uchipfanwa manda ori who's better than who not ngori timwe chifhinga rikoto vengano swika nepo rune natangana auchena muondo de wamba na mumwe kana iti mina msana singadomba nothe but to feel uri I'm better than you nikujirana na dzifene nikubona uku-exchange wa blows za music nikubona because this nigga says I got screw loose, I can kill you over nothing. So like the way I'm undermining ngayo undermine career yawe yori you weak, you work, you got nothing on me. I'm better than you, way beyond what you can ever expect. So I like to see something like this. We still need to keep a baby out of the whole thing. I be all about us as entertainers, hip hop, and yeah, all the crazy stuff. Parents, the uploaders was too personal in a way. In the one achiboyo ubiza the hitman, kana zuchibo ubizera wangu police. But I'm happy, man. This is like what I've been waiting for. Yeah. So aba petrol okwamiwa na watu nangako fizi nabo cashflow mara nani tiamba na abala bana bari no aba petrol kwa mwana vicious ndartiko hana marai dzimwe line upfori dzingari dzo direct wasingana navo ndiro zofi navo mwemvesa ndiro kwamsino buzisombo sofia inini tinga nango disa vicious maronga rono amana fizi so Ndia wiki dia tinga there anavo kompesa so ningandira yaba mentena ngayo ziyafana ndiko duela ziyafana
exactly kompesa so ningandira ye aba mentena ngande letori na aboti kubapanga kompesa asuru kubadisa
the fact your river whether ka stable or ka crew or it's one cycle ndizo yazo zinoza kusiya ukwetu ore ziyafana man ariba red navo riba fedzise. So what do you expect?
Exactly. So
what do you expect? Vicious to respond.
Okay, so what you nezene de kwata chizo zone ndoto beano mlenje pasi straight G.
Yeah.
Zonguite ndizori Vicious ugo do respond. Vicious zone nenda kwamba zone zo zwino. Angaba ondo pedza umwe la track. Ati prophecy ino nikandipedza ndikutobudza na watu wotevotaira zvino unosvika kevana vatu kwavona vokojena ari kushara na mini vatu vote ndikwavudza zvino ri Vicious ubusy ukorekoda track zvino ati kwamba jo Vicious ukorekoda track Vicious ndamufoinera zvino udova studio zvino so apa the make
nazodokorekoda dzivyo niavona lazva mbiti yori ndikongonirwa nongotetemera ndiri obvisa manda authori let me finish this nigga. Come on. Okay.
So I know Vicious. Nenda ndiko tani. Ndiko ritamsi ukoda uivisa mulova Vicious. Ngandire nenda ndiko zvi anticipate ngayo. Mara atingoziyambezo. Mara zvene ndishona zvi. Ndizauri busy zvino Vicious ustudio. Achobudza atitoramba na atina zvendo kumama lina yeka WhatsApp. Mara ndisho Vicious studio so about can expect reply ya Vicious soon maybe any back maybe namosi maybe machero respond kuda yeso ndishonazo
utongarira kuvyera gaming zvino utongarira udodipa so unaimwe ndava ke irika diapanda nepa. What do you think about ngaendava inoni zvambori zvinorina readzozori this is war in your tomati and then really compare near Adolf na Metro. Do you think you reach that level?
So uyangani achivoni itingairicha mara ningasi todori nidzirenohana zvithu zvisasvika mbona pesa mara uyangani uyangani ndichingadzi analysis dzangai ndisikono ngari ngazoviyavwa yo reacha level Adolf na Metro SMD. Mara si possible. Musindero si possible na. Si possible reach your level. Just go back to Riavana. Ninya na got the Tamra. Non fesa. Because obviously I wiki a visa track uzini. Vicious and Nibuzori Atiko Professor Mara Ure Uko record. So somebody the more vicious at visa. Hey, somebody vicious at visa. Wiki do those who do salon awareness, you know, and Kati and at the visuary item as a responder, and numbers reaches or Zomber as a responder. Zomber work to Zeroki. Oh, yeah, and I'm with a responder. Zomo Bare. No one of his eyes. Sorry, Marais, Zomo Bare. I don't lose out. No, no, and then you read the Radu. Zozo Bare.
Oh, Muro. No, the content. As you know, before I let you go, I be able to download the music. Ola Mun's music. I'm going to go to that kind of that diss track.
And then in the you got read down. You got as you know, worry. What was our computer 000? Regatio one at this there is one after lockdown now. Regatio one at Zulu, Lenin and then you got to Mandato with the Sonia and Timbuzi. So, what so divide the Panga and Uvitia and still Zonu name you all. Mrs. Zenu then I'm a very a windy lava. Zomusi guy, so I think we're going to do
no, Ringaliwana, Duba Ratmarato, Zula Ratmarato, Fazor, Batvaco Rimini, Vapodana Fio. Because again, Rico says there's no Sunan went to Nanko Zamor in the Zuan, Zunovacambo right now, Ringasco knows Renga. Lazori, people can even Kuparo phone like Kanako Dianga WhatsApp, Kanako Dia video calling when I go phone, but go boost the question, come on. Retain a proper or in the best way in a because remember when we're trying to bring in the best quality ever. In a manga zori apena zino wa confess zori ka WhatsApp apa fit wa ku phone re panga nge wa ku ni bona
re ka WhatsApp uzino mara arali vhathu vha khou ṱoḓa uri zwavho zwi vha tshimbilelei vha ya fhala kha YouTube vha search Doc F Live vha ḓo subscribe hanefhaḽa vha ḓo wana dzi show dzoṱhe dza Van Rap Late Night Show vha ḓo dzi wana hanefhaḽa na Van Rap Throwback arali vha khou ṱoḓa uri vha host dzi nyimbo dzavho vha ḓo dzhena kha docofara.co.za ndi docofara asiela yombo nga tshifhinga tshikuhai i tombo setting nga Tshivenḓa line ni to ṅwalesa Tshivenḓa ndi docofara ndi docofara
la fara
exactly docofara.co.za vha ḓo kona u hosta nyimbo dzavho na musi khou ṱoḓa downloader ni khou ṱoḓa search luimbo ni search hanefhaḽa nḓwana dza vhaṅwe hanefhaḽa ngo ralo na kha Facebook the Doc F Live nyeni like system lenga ngona
yeah ba ko zipfa ndi com 0 kwa buzori ziwanela guys zote kana reba ko ballo u dziwana ngo search kha YouTube aba soko ngola ri Van Rap Late Night Show ido appear ido visa dzi show zote to a point ine vha ḓo kona uri vha kona u dzi accessa ukuthi nthu vha kona u dzi bona nefhala hey ndo pfa iṅwe line hafha zwino hafha yori uphi when you busy sucking I'm busy muffing
ene mane zori machembi matamba nena ndo mandio dudedza magulu ngori abokhetha mani
ini na magulu rani nne ndio toda nthu zwino video ri khoi fedza pononi we go ndiko to journal life zino na show cause zwino anepa in the next 2 minutes
nane ndo sedza tshifhinga hapo ndo zwino zori nori ngo dzhena nga 12 so nene ndio dudedza magulu ange ngori okhetha badi zwa zwino
yendeze magulu vhathu vha songo ngo download the music www.vanrapradio.co.za na zwa renderfiles.co.za ngere kana docofara kana zero wafara is out na Mike Rovara otuwa yes it's still the Van Rap Radio ngazina ngadibani duka nswana ni ngwana nwa mahungoni so we need to get hold of Shuko. What I'll need you to do as I stop this video in the next few minutes when I bakubuya ridari kwamba na Shuko. Yeah, this is the diss track. The diss track in our yo vakala muroba by download ka renderfiles.co.za kana vaya ka docofara.co.za by one anepala. So Zino about and then this is the diss track and what I'm the last part of it and then we are here. But Fezora Kormini Mswana hoinon.
You verse me nigga you stupid as hell. Done it to us a papaya ma. All the time. You can't look at it by the cake and the bang and if for God lumberjack nigga grow some balls zikonkumbuza zi tic tac for the weakest rappers dina lam nali hashtag fuck out of here motherfucker with your dumb ass yeah